The light comes on before the sun. A silent room, a day begun. Somewhere a train is calling me through half-awake reality. Soft footsteps on an empty floor. Morning waiting at the door. A cup of time I never take. Still I'm slowly wide awake. Breathing with the city flow, moving where the dreamers go. Quiet city morning, soft and gently forming. Every face just drifting by, underneath the waking sky. Quiet city morning, no need for a warning. Just another day to start.